Welcome, everyone, to Global FX Radio's Market Wrap-Up Show YouTube. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton, June the 2nd, 2009. What a day. What a day. What a doggone day. Oh, my goodness. To the moon, Alice. To the freaking moon. Fly me to the moon. All right. Where are we going to go? Again, as I said on my broadcast, and again, I'm sorry my broadcast didn't get recorded today. Technical difficulties. I did a short version. But, again, tops are not made when you close at the high. It's very rare. You almost always need one of these. Some exhaustion, some rally, some ridiculous move up, and a reversal. Then you know it's over, right? Well, we got a nice big fat channel line here. And that's around 144 and change, 144.20, 50. Big spot. Any pullbacks tonight, I want to be long. You got to get long. But my issue with tonight, I don't know if we pull back so much. I think we pull back a little bit. And we just go up, up, and away. Because look at last night's pullback we had. And we're closing so strong. You know, like that. Usually that means when we're closing strong, we just continue, especially when we had a pullback last night. So to me, because we pulled back last night in Asia and Europe, I think now we're going to be just up to the races. And any reversal, if I'm right, the chance of a reversal tomorrow in the U.S. session is much higher. So I'm looking for a big continuation tonight. Tops are not tops. I need a shooting star. I need a hammer. Dollar index has to hammer. Until that, we got to be with the trend, baby. Dollar going to collapse even more. Dollar yen, another story. Dollar yen could rally a little bit, but I think dollar yen will get caught up in the dollar move. Maybe come back down dollar yen. Oh, maybe retest 95. Come back down maybe 95, 94.75. But challenger is better. Dollar yen will probably rally. Just like dollar yen had a nice big spike rally today on the pending home sales data, right? Carry trade to the moon. That was like taking candy from a baby. Pound dollar. Again, right? Pound dollar, nice pullback, closing strong, going up. I don't see any real retracement. I mean, pound dollar, I can give you different retracement levels. You want to do Fibonacci? We could do Fibonacci. I do it from this move up here, right? Down to here. And I got, that's 68, 68.50 right around. Oh, I'm not doing perfect. Yeah, 68.50. 68.50 is the 50. That's another 300 freaking pips. 68.30, it's like 250 pips. Now we could do it from other levels. We could do our Fibonacci from here. I don't necessarily agree with that one. And that has 67.50. That's only, 70 pips away. But again, tops are so rarely made when they close at the highs. It just rarely happens, people. And we're going higher. Whether or not we rally a little bit and then reverse, that's anyone's guess. I think we go much higher. Now, again, to me, the more important Fibonacci is this one. And that's 68. And I know it's 300 pips, 250 pips, but hey, euro dollar was 144.25. Euro sterling, I think, is going to collapse tonight. So cable is going to continue. And again, any real reversal, we need to see a shooting star. We need to see one of these nice reversal days. You know, we need to see like one of these nice little reversals here, right? Nice little shooting star, something, some nice big fat reversal. Look at this one right here. Very nice. And it kept coming in. So if this thing's going to break, I need to see a nice reversal. I need to see up big and then down. Obviously, how much up is the question. But I think any reversal is going to happen in the U.S. session after ADP. After ADP. And again, tonight's going to be very active. Australia, GDP coming out. I think that's going to be better than expected. The Aussie's going to probably explode on that. Aussie looks good. Euro sterling could not rally. Rally failed. A little trade in that. But again, rolling over. I think cable outperforms, and we go to the moon. I mean, cable to the moon, euro sterling comes in. But again, no real bottom sign here. Looks like going lower. We take out 86. Say hello to 85. Easy. And again, looking at the other ones again, like I see dollar Swiss. I'll show you this one. We have a little time, I think. Dollar Swiss, big outside day. We got stopped out in that. I can't believe my stop was where it was, but stopped out by 4 pips. Sucked. But again, dollar Swiss, measure the move. 150 pips. We're going down to 104.50. We take out this whole 106 level clean. Good night. Dollar Canada. It should be like taking candy from a baby. Dollar Canada, same thing. Big reversal day. We take out 108. Good night. Say hello to 106.50. Measure the move. Whatever we rallied, that's how much we go down. So those two certainly look like catch-up plays to me. Euro yen, daily chart. It's a tough one. It's a tough one. It looks like a hanging man to me. It looks a little toppy, but this is what I want to see, right? This is what I need. Now, look, this doesn't always work. Look at the shooting star here. Didn't work. Look at the hammer, though, here. Bang. Okay, reversal bar. Look at that reversal bar. Bang. Any real reversals, you get that big wick. So, and again, by the way, this shooting star did work. Never took out the highs and ended up selling off almost 900 pips. So, yes, it did rally and then collapse. But once you see that shooting star, then you're thinking reversal. It's here. So, I mean, this is more of a doji. It looks more like a hanging man to me. Hanging man, doji. They all look the same. Aussie, sterling yen. Let's look at sterling yen. I mean, that's a doji, baby. That is a doji hanging man. Ooh, that doesn't look too good, does it? It's pretty weak to me. But again, buy on pullbacks. We take out 159 and change. We are gone, like the wind, gone. But this is a that does not look good. Crucifixion. Well, it's crucifixion doji. My own version does not look good. But again, we take this out. You got to be long. I think unless we take out 159.20, I think short. It's gonna be a tough night in the carry trade. I think tough night. Aussie yen also. Again, but watch the Aussie dollar, the number on GDP. That's going to be a big precursor. It looks the same. And like the euro yen. Looks like some hanging man to me. Some hanging man. But again, closing very strong. Held up well. Looks to me like like a possible short. As long as 79 does not get breached, it looks like a short to me. Carry trade, see, dollar weak, but carry trade looks weaker a little bit to me. A little bit. That means dollar yen has to be down. If I'm right, and the carry trade is going to be weak, that means dollar yen could be down significantly. So you want to watch that. Luna yen. And again, people, tonight you should have my 3-month deal on globalfxradio.com. So if you are looking to go premium, remember there's no 1-week trial. You are in once you sign up. You will get a link to my chat room and a password, and you're on my email list, and you're in. And again, go to globalfxradio.com for more information about that, as well as to hear my recap in audio only. Looking at Luna yen again. Luna yen looking toppish. Very toppy. I just think first we go higher, and then we go lower. Dollar index. It's so rare that you see a monster reversal without without an explosion first. You know what I mean? It's so rare that you get. Look at this. Took out the lows, closed up big. Like if the dollar's melting down, usually we're going to get something. And even here, you can say, well, Andrew, here it didn't happen. True. We didn't get that. And again, but we kept making higher lows. We kept bouncing. We didn't make higher lows. That was a bullish sign. But I love these reversal signs. A little reversal here, nice rally. I want to see that wick. I want to see that nice long wick. Like down to here at 77.50. And then we reverse. So dollar index, I'd be looking at that 77.50 level, 77.70 level very closely. Andrew Spanton, Global FX Radio, the only voice, the 11 Forex makes you money.